Greetings, fellow car enthusiasts. If you're like me, your car is more than just a means of transportation. It's a second home. But let's face it, life happens inside our vehicles, leaving them in need of a little TLC every now and then. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the nitty-gritty of car interior detailing, ensuring your ride stays as pristine on the inside as it looks on the outside. Your car's interior deserves the same love and attention you give to its exterior. A clean and organized cabin not only enhances your driving experience, but also maintains the vehicle's value over time. So grab your favorite cleaning supplies, roll up your sleeves, and let's transform your car's interior into a haven of cleanliness. 1. Remove personal items and clutter. Begin by decluttering your car. Remove personal items, trash, and anything unnecessary. This not only creates a clean slate for detailing, but also gives you a chance to rediscover that long-lost pen or favorite sunglasses. 2. Vacuuming, the first line of defense. Dust and debris can quickly accumulate in the nooks and crannies of your car. Arm yourself with a powerful vacuum cleaner and its various attachments. Vacuum carpets, seats, and floor mats thoroughly. Don't forget to reach under the seats and into tight spaces to ensure a comprehensive clean. 3. Shake out floor mats. Now remove them and give them a good shake to dislodge loose dirt and debris. Consider this a warm-up for the more detailed cleaning ahead. 4. Clean and condition upholstery. Different materials require different treatments. For fabric upholstery, use a suitable cleaner, while leather seats may need a dedicated leather cleaner. Wipe down seats, door panels, and surfaces, and for that extra touch, apply a high-quality leather conditioner to keep your leather seats supple and crack-free. 5. Dashboard and interior trim, a shining affair. Your dashboard and interior trim deserve attention too. Use a mild interior cleaner to wipe away dust and grime. Follow up with a protectant to prevent fading and cracking, keeping your car's interior looking factory fresh. 6. Crystal clear windows and mirrors. Clear visibility is crucial for safe driving. Use a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean all windows and mirrors. Achieve streak-free perfection, allowing for a clear view of the road ahead. 7. Dust and clean vents. Air vents are notorious dust collectors. Employ a soft brush or compressed air to eliminate dust and restore your vents to their pristine condition. 8. Detailing the center console, command center cleanup. The center console is the command center of your vehicle. Clean and organize it, banishing sticky residues and spills. Wipe down buttons and screens, ensuring a spotless and functional center console. 9. Carpet and upholstery stain removal. Stains happen, but they don't have to be permanent. Address carpet and upholstery stains with appropriate stain removers. Always test on a small, inconspicuous area first to avoid any unwanted surprises. And clean headliner. Look up for cleanliness. The often neglected headliner deserves attention too. Use a gentle cleaner to refresh it, taking care not to oversaturate. A clean headliner contributes to an overall polished look inside your car. 11. Odor elimination. Banish unwanted smells. Is there a lingering smell in your car? Use an odor eliminator or air freshener to combat unpleasant odors. Consider the power of baking soda. Sprinkle it on carpets. Let it sit and vacuum it up for a natural deodorizing effect. 12. Floor mat cleaning. Tread with pride. Whether rubber or carpet, floor mats endure a lot. Clean them according to their material specifications and let them dry completely before returning them to their rightful place. At final touches, a microfiber finale. Grab a microfiber cloth and give all interior surfaces a final wipe down. This step ensures a polished finish, leaving your car looking showroom-worthy. 14. Clean and condition seatbelts. Safety first. Wipe down seatbelts with a mild cleaner, ensuring they function smoothly. A clean seatbelt not only looks better, but also provides optimal safety. 15. Put everything back in its place and take a moment to inspect your handiwork. Check for any missed spots and make any necessary touch-ups. 16. Regular maintenance. Keep the shine alive. Maintain that freshly detailed look with a regular cleaning routine. A little effort goes a long way in preserving your car's interior over time. Additional tips and advice. Leather care. For extra care, avoid exposing leather seats to direct sunlight for extended periods. Consider using a sunshade when parked. Cup holder cleanup. Don't overlook cup holders. Use a brush or a damp cloth to remove any sticky residue or grime lurking in these often forgotten spaces. Carpet protection. Invest in rubber or all-weather floor mats to protect your carpets from spills and stains. They're easy to clean and can save you from a lot of headaches in the long run. Regular air vent maintenance. Periodically clean air vents to prevent dust buildup and maintain optimal air circulation in your car. Emergency stain. Kit. Keep a small kit in your car with stain-removing wipes or a portable stain remover for quick cleanup on the go. In conclusion, detailing your car's interior is a labor of love, but the results are undoubtedly rewarding. Treat your car well, and it will return the favor with a comfortable, clean, and inviting interior every time you slide behind the wheel. Happy detailing! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.